Question 3. Runa and John are playing a game using a fair six-sided dice. Runa throws the dice first, then John. John wins the game if his number is greater than Runa's. Runa throws the dice and it shows a 3. What is the probability that John will win the game? Well, let's remember the numbers that are actually on a dice. You can either have a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 or a 6. Runa has thrown a 3. So this is what Runa has thrown. Now remember, we're looking to see what's the probability that John will win the game. And we were told John wins if his number is greater than Runa's. So we're looking for all the numbers greater than 3. So John will win if he throws a 4, because that's greater than 3, a 5, because that's greater than 3, and a 6, because that's greater than 3. So the question is, what chance will he throw a 4, a 5, or a 6? Well, a 4, a 5, or a 6 is 3 numbers out of the possible 6 numbers altogether. So the probability that he will win the game is 3 out of 6. In our answer box, what we should really be doing is simplifying this to a half. 3 is half of 6, so therefore we could simplify the probability to a half. He has a half chance of winning the game. If we scroll down to the question underneath, it says Runa throws the dice again. The probability that John will win this game is 1/3. What number did Runa throw? Well, let's write the numbers down again. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the probability he's going to win is 1/3. But remember, the dice is out of 6. So the question is, what equivalent fraction is equivalent to 1/3 but out of 6? Well, to get from thirds to 6, we would have to times 2. So we would have to do the same on the top. So it would be 1 times 2, which is 2. So 1/3 is the same as saying 2/6. So he must have had a 2 out of 6 chance. 2 of the numbers out of a possible 6 would be the numbers that he could have got to win. So he only wins if his numbers are higher. So it's going to be the 2 numbers higher than whatever Runa threw. Well, if we start from the end and mark off 2 numbers, then this shows that Runa must have thrown a 4. Because if Runa threw a 4, this is the only way that John would have 2 out of 6 numbers higher than he could get, and 2 out of 6 is what gets us back to a 1/3. So what number did Runa throw? She must have thrown a 4. Just to go through that one more time, if Runa threw a 4, then the only way John could win the game would be to throw higher than that, which would be a 5 and a 6. That means he's got 2 numbers that would win in the game, 2 out of a possible 6, and 2 out of a possible 6 does simplify his chance to winning to be a 1/3, which is what it says here in the question. Therefore, we know the answer of 4 must be correct.